In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a trade inside of Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, it's showing something like this. And here you'll need to go over to the chart tab over here, and then you'll need to choose the specific chart that you want to trade or place a trade for. From here, you'll need to go over to the right hand side where you'll see this icon up here. From here, it's showing something like this, where you'll be able to choose the specific account that you want to place the trade into. You can add a time and force, where you can choose between good till cancel, day, good till date, fill or kill, or immediate or cancel. From here, you'll also be able to add the quantity, where you can 1 time, 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times it. And you can also click reduce only if you want to do that. From here, you'll be able to add in the brackets mode, where you can add either simple or multi, where you can add stop loss or take profit down here. So let's just choose them off for this tutorial. From here, you'll also be able to place a strategy where you can add all of these strategies if you want to do that, where you can add limit if touched and all of these other strategies. Down here, you'll be able to add the buy or sell, the place, order. And from here, if you click here, you'll be able to add an asking price. Down here, you'll be able to add a bid. And down here, you will straight up just buy where it is right now. Then from here, the position will get filled. And from here, you'll be able to sell it by clicking on these red dots over here. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!